Remedies presents. Do you have age spots on your skin? Remove them with this simple ingredient. Age spots appear after many years of being exposed to ultraviolet rays from the sun and other environmental factors. Even using a tanning bed increases the potential for developing age spots. Hyperpigmentation. This is common affliction in which an overproduction of melanin, a natural pigment inside the skin, causes dark spots and an uneven complexion. Did you know you can use a simple household product to combat these age spots, liver spots, brown spots? In today's video, I will share with you how to reduce these spots. You will only need 2 simple household ingredients to do this. You have probably already got the 2 ingredients in your pantries. So let's start. Ingredients: an onion, 1 whole or 1 cup. Apple cider vinegar, ½ cup. Procedure: blend an onion and strain the juice out of it. Mix together the juice of the onion with apple cider vinegar and apply it to the dark spots. Use a cotton ball to apply to dark spots and leave on for 30 minutes before rinsing off. Repeat this on a daily basis for a couple of weeks and you will notice the spots will start to get lighter. If you do not see the results after 2 months of daily application, cease usage and try a different method. About the ingredients: the juice of an onion helps with reducing your scars. Then there is apple cider vinegar, which helps with removing dead layers of skin. With these 2 healing ingredients, you can get your skin back to looking fresh very easily. It is important to keep an eye on the spots and consult a physician if some spots are getting darker than others. A dark circle appears around 1 or more of the spots. They keep growing or start to get a reddish color. Share with all. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.